Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2018 Scout 255 Dorado. Come on board, we'll look at some of the features and benefits of this boat. As we come on board here, we enter into the cockpit area, which you can see has a lot of seating, whether you're going to be using it for cocktail parties, taking it for lunch or dinner, or you're going out to see the 4th of July fireworks. You have an area that you can sit a lot of people. Very easily, these seats fold up if you want to use it for fishing. Becomes a nice open cockpit area. You can fit 2 or 3, 4 people back here easily to fish off the back of this boat. Another nice feature of this boat is this sun pad area that actually comes out and then retracts away. Adds to the seating in the cockpit of this boat. Moving forward, we have a galley area, freshwater sink, Yeti cooler, and some storage for tackle or knives, utensils, whatever we want to use it for. Also use this little kind of a kitchen area if you have some guests, you want to do some cooking out or anything like that while you're down at the dock. Heading up to the helm here, it's really set up awesome for the captain. You have a Garmin chart plotter that has C-zone. You can really control all the features and benefits of this boat and lighting and all that kind of stuff. Fusion stereo. You have dual Yamaha 150s. Really helps the captain with docking this boat, having the 2 motors when you're coming in from your fishing trips or your parties or whatever you were doing. Another nice feature of this boat, you can see this gorgeous windshield, nice curved glass. When you're running this boat, it really gives you that 360 view. Very easy to drive and just maneuver this boat around. As we continue to move forward, nice day head on this boat. Stainless steel sink in there. Up to everybody's favorite part, we have the bow seating area. Right now we have it installed with the sun pad. Fit 3 people up here, no problem. This easily comes out. You can set this off to the side. With that out here, sit up here. Safety grab rails, you have your JL audio throughout. Really gives you the sound up here, whether the boat's moving or whether you're, again, at that cocktail party. Cup holders. Continue to move forward in the bow. Storage locker up here for your windlass. You have your controls for this as well as at the helm area for the captain. Thank you for taking the walkthrough with me of this Scout 255 Dorado. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 609-926-0600.